Welcome to this tutorial. In this video, I'll walk you through the step-by-step process on how to install and set up Aweber Action Automation for workflows. So first thing, let's head over to App Marketplace. Let's search for the app. Once we get the app, let's quickly enter into it. Right over here, let's click on Install. Let's click on Allow and Install. Once that is done, let's quickly refresh this current page. After refreshing, let's quickly scroll down, and right down here we'll see the custom app page that has been created. So let's quickly click on that. Once inside of it, we are going to be presented with a new page, and on this page we have a couple of tabs. The first tab right over here is a documentation tab, and this documentation tab contains everything you need to get started with the Aweber Action Automation for workflows. The next tab right over here is the Tutorials tab. In this Tutorials tab, you have a couple of smart cue that is going to help you set you up when it comes to credential setup as well as configuration walkthrough. The next tab right over here is going to be the Setup tab. So right over here in the Setup tab, we're going to be able to have this connected and then also have OAuth redirect URL entered within our Aweber portal. So let me quickly have a run through so you can understand how this works. So right over here, we do have connection status set to connected, but no worries. I'm going to teach you on how to have this connected. So first things first, let's quickly click on Start Setup right here. So once we click on that, we're presented with a new interface, which right here will need the client ID and the client secret. In order to be able to obtain this, we have to head over to our Aweber portal in order to be able to get that from there. So let's quickly head over there right now. Okay. So once we are inside of here, what we have to do is we have to click on create a new app. Once that is done, we need to give it an application name, an author, application website, and then we also have to configure a couple of other authentication methods right down. Once we are done filling in the application name, the author, and the application website, let's quickly scroll down and let's look at the client type. For the client type, let's just allow that to confidential. Now we're going to be presented with a new box, a new field, which is the OAuth redirect URL. Let's quickly head back over to our account and then have that copy. Okay, so back into our account, let's just close this. So right here, you will see redirect URL. Let's quickly come over here. Let's copy this and let's head back over to our Aweber portal. Now let's simply paste it right inside of here and let's give it a quick description. After that, let's quickly scroll down and let's click on create new app. Once that is done, let's quickly just scroll right down, and then right here we'll have the client ID you're looking for and the client secret. So let's copy both of these and then head back over to account and have that pasted there. Once we have pasted the client ID and the client secret, let's just quickly click on complete setup. Once that is done, we are going to be redirected to an external page where we'll simply have to scroll down and then enter our login name and our password, then click on allow access. Once that is done, let's quickly head back over to our account. And right over here, we are going to see the connection status as connected. This means our app has been successfully connected and is now ready for usage. So let's quickly explore the couple of remaining tabs that are here. The next tab you have over here is the support tab. And this support tab, you actually have the ability to be able to create a support ticket with us or to be able to book for a support call with us for any follow-up queries you have regarding this app. And the next tab we have right over here is a change log. So the change log tab actually helps you to track updates and improvements that are actually being done to Aweber Action Automation for workflows. In order to be able for you to receive these notifications, what you have to do is scroll right down. Right over here in change log notifications, we have to toggle this on. Okay, so right inside of here, you have to enter an email address you would like to receive these future notifications from there. So quickly put in your email address right here and then click on subscribe. Once that is done, you will now be able to receive any future updates regarding Aweber Action Automation for workflows. Okay, so this marks the end of this video. Thank you for watching, and I hope this tutorial helped you install, set up, and use this app. If you encounter any issues, support team is available 24/7 to answer any of your queries.